From the Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Kellyanne Class.
We did have a pretty windy day yesterday when another cold front moved on through. That brought wind gusts of nearly 50 miles per hour, with some of the highest wind gusts up into the Panhandle. Some portions of Amarillo reached 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Here in the South Plains, the highest wind gust was recorded was in Happy at 56 miles per hour. Lubbock International Airport came in at 48 miles per hour. Floyd Data at 50 miles per hour. Rest of us saw wind gusts of about into the 40s. So we did have another windy day yesterday, and this morning you may be hearing some of that wind still because it is still getting pretty breezy, but thankfully not as gusty. The winds right now are out of the northwest. They're sustained at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. And from that cold front, it did bring a lot more colder air. So that means feels like temperatures are into the single digits. We are still expected to keep these windy conditions throughout the day today. They will eventually calm down throughout the rest of the evening hours and then pick back up once again tomorrow. We are set tomorrow for another breezy day, but thankfully not as windy as we had last night and as we have early this morning. Now, feels like temperatures, like I said, are in the single digits. Feels like 6 degrees in Tulia, 5 degrees in Dimmitt, Friona, and Clovis. Feels like 9 degrees here in Lubbock and Rawls. And some areas are feeling like the teens. Feels like 15 degrees in Gale. So it is cold this morning. Bundle up, wear those layers. You don't need any of that rain gear because that front did not bring any precipitation. And in fact, we are waking up to dry and quiet conditions early this morning. That means Doppler 1 radar is quiet. It looks like we are going to get a little bit of a pattern change. We are expecting mostly dry and clear conditions over the next few days. So really not going to be concerned about with a lot of rainfall potential. Really not until about next week when we get a little bit more moisture influxing into our area. And then we're going to be watching a front that'll supply the lift to allow for some showers to slowly develop by Monday late evening and then early Tuesday morning. So a few spotty showers down to our south and east. Tries to form a line by early Tuesday morning around 7 o'clock. Get a few spotty showers all the way through Tuesday afternoon and evening, and then looks like we will dry out after that. But that is still several days out, so still a lot could change, especially as we get more consistency in the data. But right now it is saying that there is definitely a possible chance that we could see some precipitation. And the Climate Prediction Center is picking up on that as well within the next 6 to 10 days. Above average precipitation, but then we're also tracking above average temperatures as well. So not great news in terms of all of you winter lovers who want a little bit more snowfall and a little bit more colder air. Looks like we are going to be trending towards a little bit more some warmer weather. You could see the coldest day will be today over the next 5 days. We're already back up into the 60s by tomorrow and Friday, into the 70s by Saturday and Sunday. So just got to get through today, and then we'll get some warmer weather in the forecast. So abundant sunshine, dry conditions, a little bit windy as well with a northwest wind at 15 to 20 miles per hour throughout the rest of the day today. We'll keep the breezy conditions, but already rebounding into the 60s by tomorrow and Friday. 70s though by Saturday and Sunday. So this weekend it's really going to be warm, but those winds return once again. We could potentially see the 80s by Sunday and Monday. So definitely something that we are going to be watching. But for now, enjoy the cooler air. It's our only below average temperature day within the next 7 days.
And I'm feeling it. Yeah, this morning I went outside. I was like, wow, I feel the colder temperatures.
Ooh, it is brutal.
Again, like I said, I had to wear 3 layers this morning.
I'm saying, yeah, layers.
I saw you walk in with gloves, and I had a hat on.
I had
Kellyanne
gloves, multiple layers, my hood
today.
up, a hat, like I had everything. It was so cold this morning.
It's definitely freezing. Thank you, Kelly.